All of us here at Justhands-on.tv wish you a happy new year, which we hope will be full of textile and crafting pleasure. We start the year by introducing you to Vendulka Battais. She's the owner of Oliven, Patchwork, Quilting and Textile Art Studios in Suffolk, and she's telling us all about her remarkable quilt, which was co-made with her husband Oliver, and which won both the two-person category and the Best in Show at the Festival of Quilts in 2021. The Mandela quilt is painted using marabou paints. And later in the month, Vendulka brings us this brilliant butterfly cushion workshop, which was designed exclusively for us, combining her skilled technique with the marabou paints. Valerie Nesbitt has us going crazy with this quilt design that brilliantly uses up 5 or 6 fat quarters with no waste. And Sue Rhodes returns with her Japanese folded cushion workshop. Jennie Rayment welcomes in the new year with her woven panel cushion, and still on the cushion theme, Sylvia Critcher shares with us her twister cushions, which use French booty and trapunto. Paula Doyle brings us the first of her brilliant 3-part series on free motion quilting. And our crochet expert, Czaja, is back in the studio showing us how to create this remarkably colourful rainbow scarf. Our Technique Thursday video this month features Holly Jones of the Arty Crafty Place with her lesson on how to block print, but this time onto clay, so you could make really unique items like tiles and coasters. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.